My name is Ty, and my proudest financial accomplishment is retiring by the time I got to 40. Came to the United States as an immigrant when I was 7. My father came here on a PhD stipend, so we didn't exactly have a lot of money. I remember living with my parents in a single bedroom. Ever since then, I've learned to never live beyond my means and to always put away some for the future. My father's situation got a little more stable. He got his first job. That's when they started exploring the financial markets. It seemed easy until it wasn't. I remember that period of my life really thinking, gosh, investing seems dangerous. And it wasn't until I learned about the concept of index funds and diversified investments that I really got comfortable with the idea. I tried a lot of financial products and have a lot of accounts in different places. After looking at that data for a few years, I recognized that Wealthfront actually did better. That really helped create a sense of trust, and that's when I decided to divert all of my future savings to Wealthfront. And I made a commitment to say, I'm gonna add $500 a month to $500 a week. The most I ever contributed was like $1,000 a week. And by the time I turned 40, I was able to stop working for money. I'll spend a lot more time with friends and family. I realized that it wasn't the material things that brought me happiness, it was the freedom. No, I mean, I legitimately like the product. Just the other day, actually, I was telling people that I play pickleball with, that I'm doing this shoot. They all got curious about, oh, what's Wealthfront?